Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today I will be doing a compilation reaction, and I think this one is long overdue. This is Don't Put BTS and TXT in the Same Room, the sequel. And when I reacted to the first part of it, you guys told me there's a second part. And then when I typed the second part, I see that there is also a third part for this. But I'm not going to react to the third part, I'll keep it for another day. But today I want to look at the sequel, and I remember reacting to the first part like many months back. I think when I was on my holiday in Calcutta, I reacted to it at that point of time, and then you guys told me please react to the next part also. So yes, the third part also I will react to soon, but today it's the Don't Put BTS and Tomorrow by Together in the Same Room, the sequel. It's like a nice 9.5-minute video. I am ready for some laughs. The first one was so chaotic. The first one was so freaking chaotic. My god, I don't know what the second part is going to reveal. So I don't want to delay this any further. Armies and Moas, are we ready? I am not ready, but I will. Okay. I'm getting all the updates of the Tomorrow by Together comeback again and again. I've not checked out anything. As usual, like I'm saying, I have not checked out anything. Okay, let's check this video.
김남준, 김석진, 최희현.
I thought we said
This was the first part.
do not put BTS and TXT
I'm sorry, the first one was hilarious.
in the same room. Well, here we go again.
Okay. I swear, and the first one was also like there because they're so awkward, since BTS are their seniors, they cannot be like all comfy and friendly with them. But the way, BTS was so chaotic with them and they were just getting so confused. So I'm getting this is more of that. Let's see. अरे कितनी बार? That's so cute. So even though they are from the same company, they always greet each other like this, like so formally. Probably those are the rules. I don't know from what all, because I don't see every Bangtan Bomb and every TXT. I don't know what is their, where they show the behind the scenes and stuff like how BTS does. So I don't know from which. The hair looks like Boy with Love. Wait, what did Yoongi say? So this somewhere happened in 2019? Exactly! Yes, Yoongi! Yoongi, you're so correct. Can't we say hey normally?
가방이 너무 귀여운데. 휘니카 그 가방에 뭐 들었죠? 아, 이 가방에 아무것도 안 들었겠지. 야, 맞췄잖아. 팬분들.
So Hyun and Kai's hobbies disciple, huh?
궁금한 게 뭐예요? 해외 공연은 특별히 좀 유의해야 할 점이 있을까요?
예, 찐 바로 답변 들어갑니다. 미국에서는 말이죠.
Please don't tell me Seokjin is gonna give a dad joke or something over here. Really? Does he know I love him? Yes! Subin is smitten with Seokjin. That though you guys only tell me all the time. Wait. So they were supposed to, I'm guessing they're supposed to go to the States for their show and stuff like that, maybe.
해외 공연은 특별히 좀 유의해야 할 점이 있을까요?
Subin is asking like a good leader.
미국에서는 말이죠.
And Namjoon was about to say like, Seokjin se तुम चुप रहो, मैं बताऊंगा. I'll tell. Does he know I love her? Please give us guidance and wisdom.
한국말이 안 통해. 반응이 좋네.
Yes, I think all the TXT members know how to speak fluent English. Oh God. Of course, Seokjin, you had to say something like this.
제가 번호를 다 땄잖아요. 네, 태연 씨그톡 히스토리 거의 너가 10장이 넘게 있더라고. 그래요? 제가 원래 봤는데 궁금해서 이 친구 히스토리에 뭐가 있는데 저 후기 사진이
He's exposing Taeyeon, huh? Oh my God. I feel like, look at it. He's scared to death that how will Jungkook react.
그톡
So what I'm getting is Soobin is Seokjin fanboy, Taeyeon is Jungkook fanboy, and Hyun and Kai is Hobie fanboy, Hoseok fanboy. That's please let me know if I'm correct, if I'm getting everything correct.
프로필 히스토리 거의 너가 10장이 넘게 있더라고. 제가 원래 봤는데
He's so
이
embarrassed.
친구 히스토리에 뭐가 있나 근데 저 후기 사진이 맞죠?
Namjoon is like totally exposing him.
투어나가 투게더 화이팅 이렇게 하나? 오케이.
I'm just saying Namjoon is looking like no.
가시죠.
하면 될까요?
네.
네.
They are so nervous around BTS.
소금다 아니야?
방탄소년단 화이팅!
That's right. I love it. One Dream TXT. So this is from TXT's whatever behind the scenes or show. What do you want to call it? Ajay, they're waiting for BTS. I was standing in the chair. My God, they're so nervous. They are so nervous. They are like, BTS is gonna come. They are seniors. Let's act all like formal and nice. Dude. Please, these boys are just hilarious. Of course, why? What did I expect? What was I expecting? Of course, this had to happen. Like BTS entering with all chaotic and like they just don't even feel like they are seniors. And it just doesn't. They're the cool seniors or the awkward parents. I don't know whichever category you want to put them on. The way Seokjin enters. Hobie is such a sunshine man. Again?
안녕하세요. 친구를 발치게 됩니다. 더 세게 인사해야 돼.
우리 더 세게 하자.
오케이. 우리 이걸로 하죠. 둘, 셋, 박.
같은 회사 사람들끼리
그래. 앞으로 이제 이거 하면 이제 다리 물로 이상하고 하지 말고.
What are they doing? What is BTS doing? They are so chaotic. Why? Oh my God.
뉴욕에서는 뉴욕 잘했어요? 네.
Oh, they are in US. They both are in US. Because this doesn't look like their office. This looks like a backstage. Okay.
어땠어요? 어땠어?
아 뒤집어.
뒤집었어?
아 이거를 다시 돌려.
시카고 공연 어땠어요?
How was that Chicago concert? Oh, so they are in the States for their concert, BTS, and TXT is for their showcase.
신기했어. 정우 선배님은 날아다니시던데.
그때 나 추워 죽을 뻔했어.
Euphoria!
우리들은 그렇게 추운 데서 고생하는데 따뜻한 데서 보고 있었다고.
다 열어놨습니다.
이거는 창문 열어.
위에 조명이 매달려서 봐야 되는 거 아니야?
영어 할 줄 아는 사람 누구 있어요?
연준이.
Everybody speaks English.
우리가 오늘 하는 거 보면서 얼마나 웃겼어.
그러니까.
아니에요.
영어 대화. 오케이, 렛츠 고.
시키지 마.
This is after concert. Matlab, this is BTS so energetic after the concert. Imagine, like, you know, they have finished a concert, they have come back to their backstage and stuff. TXT is waiting, and the way, look at their energy. Like, kahan se laate ho itni energy? My God, where? How much energy do they have? Like, dude, their work ethic is next level, and they know, like, after the concert they are getting, because this is getting filmed, right? It's not like backstage mein aaram se baith ke both the groups are chatting and chilling. This is like literally getting filmed, because I can see the Mnet wala logo. So this actually was broadcasted in Mnet. So matlab, they don't have peace after a concert also, that okay, now we'll go home and go back to our hotels and rest. No, this has to be done. But it's just so, I don't know, man. Their work ethic is, they are always like, when I see K-pop idols in general, chalo abhi to BTS ki baat ho rahi, so when I see them and when I am working and when I get stuck or I feel lazy at some point of time, I always think to myself, if BTS can do it, then I can also do it. It's like literally they gave me motivation. Huh? Has it happened to you? Has it happened to you guys?
영원히 뭐가 들었어요?
아 잠시만요.
Oh no.
팬분들의 마음.
Bobby's disciple. Oh my God, Yoongi's laugh is so adorable there.
저희가 이제 콘서트를 너무 잘 봐가지고 저희도 보답해드리고 싶어가지고 기빨개지네.
이가 빨개져? 야.
네.
자, 갑시다.
What are they gonna do?
일단 그 파란색 페이지.
They are so. The BTS is like, कि क्या करने वाले? What are they gonna do? What are they gonna do? What did the
일단
caption say?
그 파란색 페이지.
I must not reveal my soft inner persona. Yoongi, we already know it is there. Oh my God, that caption. I love this editor, man. She puts the best captions. It's like Namjoon's caption, like, do your job as subordinates. Look at Namjoon's caption. Good job, subordinates.
보셔야 돼요.
What's this?
아니 이거 아니 활동 제대로.
Oh, this is like a message that they're sending. Like, this is like a thank you message. Please, I'm a little lost. What is that thing? What is that thing? Is like a thank you message? This ain't about you. How have you been? We have missed you all. Okay, this is what is written. Okay. We are Chicago style.
저 편지 디테일 봐.
We were very touched in it. It was amazing. Just look at Yoongi. Yoongi is like, बंद करो ये सब, बंद करो. I'm getting embarrassed. Making a dad joke that I don't understand.
Thanks so much.
Yeah. And
사랑합니다.
Yoongi is literally sitting like this. Yoongi is literally like, मैं नहीं देख सकता. I can't watch this. We want to be friends with you, okay? Give us your phone. I don't know what this chaotic thing. What is going on? I don't understand, but I love it. I love it. What happened? What happened? Jungkook को क्या हो गया suddenly? Or it means love you? Get over how embarrassed Yoongi is at this moment, and I am just looking at BTS being like, well, they are just randomly falling here and there. My jaw is hurting. And TXT must be like, we want to laugh out so badly. We want to laugh out loud, but we can't because you guys are our freaking seniors, man. Oh my god. My babies.
귀엽다 귀엽다.
They are adorable. Aww. I love how they are making them comfortable.
이름 모르는 사람은 없겠죠?
야 이제 이름 모르면은 야 진짜 좀.
Wait, I think I missed that dispatch joke over there. Wait, what was that?
혹시 우리 TXT 멤버들
Who needs dispatch BTS exclusive?
이름 모르는 사람은 없겠죠?
야 이제 이름 모르면은 야 진짜 좀.
원규, 수빈, 연주, 휴니카이, 태연.
Of course, Chiang will know.
데뷔 7년 차로서 제가 뭐 하나
Here's a tips inside me. ऐसा उसने बोला था क्या?
데뷔 7년차 태영 씨가
네.
알려드린 팁.
자, 태연이가 이걸 할 때 뒤에서는 이렇게 해주면은 네, 좋습니다. 자, 되게 이런 것도 안 하다고.
아 근데 이런 거 처음 받아봐가지고. 진짜 집에 알바하는데 너무 민망했어요. 처음 받아. 여기.
Bonus. Oh, that's I know him now. That's he's signed under Big Hit only, like Hype. Lee Hyun, that's his name. He's a solo artist.
야 현이 형이 응원가지.
나 영상도 안 봤어.
와보지 않았을까?
I want to see such interactions. I just love when different groups interact. I just love that. Oh, so they also terrified.
일단 같은 데라며 윤경이랑 이거 대형 드라이브 있잖아. 정규.
Oh, okay. From there. Damn, don't make me hungry.
Anyways, they are the absolute cutest together. I can't wait for more content of the two groups meeting cause literally it is chaotic and makes me giggle.
It's too chaotic,
Thanks
man.
Hitman Bang for her jeans.
둘, 셋.
I swear they are so chaotic. But recently I've not seen any interaction. You guys told me that Enhypen and TXT, they have interacted. They have like a couple of episodes together. I definitely want to watch those. Please let me know what it is called. Because I want to check out those, like if there is a compilation of Enhypen and TXT, a very good funny compilation like this, I would love to watch it. But this was, oh my god, I cannot wait to check out the third one, the last one, what that is. But this is too much. The fact that how awkward Tomorrow by Together members are in front of them, like they're literally trying to, you know, be formal and be respectful and all, which is so sweet of them. But BTS though matlab is on another crackhead level. They're like, we don't bloody care. But I love that because that makes the juniors also feel very comfortable and homely. And the fact that this was, you know, after in the backstage after the concert and stuff. So I'm guessing that they had their concert and they had their showcase and then they met together. They came from their showcase, they came from their concert and then they met together and then this was filmed. So if that's the case, then I respect to both the groups. A lot of respect to both the groups, and I cannot wait for Tomorrow by Together's comeback. I cannot wait for the comeback. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I am like after Chaos Chapter, after I've listened to the entire album and all of that, like TXT has impressed me so much, so much. I mean, you know, in all of their discography, I was already impressed by them when I listened to that Minnesota album. But this one, particularly the Chaos Chapter Freeze, this is where like they have literally like elevated themselves as artists. Like this is the point, you know, in future when Moas look back, this would be the point where you will see that, oh yeah, this was when TXT would have said, yeah, we have arrived. we have arrived in the industry. Now we have made a mark, and then there's no going back, because I think the Freeze Chaos chapter Tomorrow by Together, it's one of the best albums produced in K-pop in 2021. That's my absolute honest opinion. This fantastic album, fantastic songs. I'm so impressed by TXT at this point of time. That is why I'm eagerly looking for this. One of the comebacks I'm eagerly looking forward to. And yeah, definitely, you know, in future, probably next year or so, I wanna own a TXT album as well. Let's see. पैसा होना चाहिए, उसके लिए पैसा होना चाहिए. तो उतना पे अभी butter आया order. Now let that come. Already my savings has gone into butter. So yes, that was it, guys, from me. Do share in your thoughts for this particular compilation. I loved it. I loved it so much. I had such a great laugh. So yes, that was it, guys, from me. I hope you have come to the end of the video and have enjoyed this reaction. And yes, please do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.